Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell you that how many isosceles triangles can be formed through one A4 sheet. In this video you would be requiring one A4 size sheet, one marker or pen and one ruler. As you can see, I have taken one A4 size sheet and now I am going to fold it into half to get an crease. As you can see, I have folded it into half and I have get this crease. Now when we open it, I have taken a point in the center. Now I will join this point to the edges and the corners to form a triangle. As you can see, I have formed a triangle. Now I will be naming this triangle as A, B and C. And I have also drawn a perpendicular to this, as you can see. Now according to me, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. I will also give you the proof. So let's start. As you can see that when we fold this sheet into a half, it forms a rectangle, and we know that all the angles of a rectangle are 90 degrees. So we can say that the angle formed here is also 90 degrees. Similarly, the angle formed here would also be of 90 degrees. So I have named these angles as angle 1 and angle 2. Now to prove that the triangle is isosceles, I would be first proving that triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD. So let us start. So now we will be proving the congruency in triangle ABD and triangle ACD. So we know that AD is common in both the triangles. So we can write AD equals to AD as it is common. Now we have proven that angle 1 and angle 2 both are 90 degrees. So we can write that angle 1 is equal to angle 2 90 degrees. Now as AD bisects BC, so BD would be equal to DC. Therefore we can write BD equals to DC as AD bisects BC, and therefore triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ACD by SAS. And by proving the congruency, we can say that AB equals to AC by CPCT, and therefore triangle APC is a isosceles triangle. Hence, it is proven. Now we need to find that how many isosceles triangles can we form on this A4 size sheet. Yes, you all are right. We can form infinite number of isosceles triangle in the same way on this A4 size sheet, in this way as well as in this way. If we join the two breadths like this, we get this crease. And then I can take any point on the crease, and then I can join the point to the edges similarly like we did in this triangle. And now we can also prove that the triangle is congruent by the same method we did in this triangle. Now as you can see, I have formed so many isosceles triangles on this single A4 sheet, and therefore we can form many more triangles. So this was the end of our video. Thank you.